ORTUR 2 Unboxing and Installation. 1. Unboxing and Accessories. Unboxing. Take out the machine. Take out the user manual and accessory box. Camera calibration board. User manual. Laser engraving and cutting parameters, for reference only. Remove all accessories. Only the 20-watt laser module version includes an air pump. Remove acrylic film. The operation methods for both 10-watt and 20-watt are the same. Cut the zip ties and take off the wooden board. Two, connect the machine. Turn the machine to its back side. Take the TF card from the reader and insert it into the machine. Make sure the TF card is inserted the right way. Power adapter. Power cable. Plug the power cable into the power adapter. Plug the power cable into the machine. USB cable. Plug the USB cable into the machine. Insert the machine key and turn it to the on position. Turn the button to unlock the emergency stop button. Remove the screen protector as needed. Easily adjustable flip angle display. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the machine. Please wait during the process. 3. How to replace the laser module. 20-watt laser module removal is the same as 10-watt. Cut the zip ties. Unplug the air tube. Disconnect the laser wire labeled L. Disconnect the flame sensor wire labeled CN5. Loosen the hand screws and remove the 10-watt laser module. Install the laser module and tighten the hand screws. Plug in the laser wire marked L. Loosen the screw first to install the ground wire, then tighten the screw. As shown, the limit plate for different laser modules needs to be manually adjusted to the corresponding position. Secure the laser wire with zip ties. Installation completed. 4. Laser module focusing. 10-watt and 20-watt laser modules focus in the same way. Place the engraving material into the machine. First, adjust the laser module height so the focus stick can be fully inserted. Loosen the screw, fully lower the focus stick, then tighten the screw. Loosen the hand screws and lower the laser module. The best focus distance is when the focus stick just touches the engraving material. Loosen the screw again and retract the focus stick. Place the engraving material inside the machine. Place the LR4-1A focus plate. Loosen the hand screws and lower the laser module. The focus distance shown in the picture is optimal. Tighten the hand screws and remove the focus plate. 5. Install the ventilation pipe. Use M5 screws to install the ventilation duct. Six. Install the air pump, only the 20-watt built-in air pump. Install the throttle valve onto the air pipe. Insert the air pipe into the air pump, it should stay secure when pulled. Insert the other end of the air pipe into the machine's swivel connector. 7. How to use triangular blades. Place the triangular blades vertically onto the machine's base. Place the triangular blades vertically is beneficial for smoke ventilation. You can choose not to use it for engraving.